I am Arham and today we are going to build the number blocks from 1 to 10. Let's go. First, let's start with Numberblock One. Let's take some of these off so we can get a red block off. Here is the one block. And let's add this. Here is our Numberblock One. Now we need to take even more of these off. I'm just going to take all of them off because they're just stopping us from getting the blocks. This is Numberblock One. Now let's build Numberblock Two. Take 2 blocks from here. Got the strip there. Here are the 2 blocks we need. Put the second faceplate on. Put the face. Then finally, we add the numbering. This is Numberblock 2. 1, 2, 1. Now let's build Numberblock 3. Just take one from here so I can stop the focus. We need 3 yellow blocks to make Numberblock 3. So what we are going to do is put these blocks together. Put the juggling balls one on. And find her face. Here is our Numberblock 3. Hi, 3. Now let's build Numberblock 4. With 4 blocks here. We're going to put them together. I don't think so. I found the piece. But I'm just going to start putting these face plates on. And now add the numbering. Here is our Numberblock 4. Now let's build Numberblock 5. With 5 blocks. And they're also the color blue. Let's put these faceplates on Numberblock 5. I guess this is the mouth. That's the mouth. The face. And here is our Numberblock 5. Now let's build Numberblock 6. We're going to build her in a different way. I've got another block. Connect that one with this. Get these 2. And connect these 2 like this. We need 6 purple blocks. We are going to use different stickers to make Numberblock 6, not the original. Tall faces. So this means we won't use the big faces. We're just going to add a little bit more stuff until we complete it. Now we get the numbering. Here is our Numberblock 6. Numberblock 6. Now let's build Numberblock 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are the Now let's put the numbering on. And put the face on. Here is our Numberblock 7. Now let's build Octoblock. So we're going to build the rectangle shape. The best way to do it is get 4 twos. Put them together. like we're going to put these blocks over here. So we're going to stack all 4 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Or we can count in twos. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now let's put this on. Put these faces on. Rectangle faces only have more than one piece. Here is our number block 8. Now let's build number block 9. We're going to take all 3 types of grey and combine them. Woohoo! Let's add all of these up. I'm just getting the wrong order. It's this way, not the other way. I made before. We will put this face on and this numbering on. Here is our number block 9. Now let's build number block 10 with 10 blocks. Blocks. We're going to put these face plates on. Let's guess which one is the face. I think so. This one? No. Between these two. This one. Yeah. That's the face. And finally put the last piece on. Here is our number block 10. 10, 10, 10 again. 10, 10, 10 again. You can also make the rocket ship for number block 10. I can make it because I have extra blocks. I'm also going to show you with the rocket ship. The rocket ship is also very easy to make for 10. Here is 10 with the rocket ship. 10, 10, 10 again. 10, 10, 10 again. And also, you can put on the helmet for number block 10's rocket ship. So let's do that as well. There is our number block 10 with the rocket and helmet. Number block 10 will go over here. Do you like it with the helmet, the rocket, no helmet, only the rocket, the helmet and rocket, the one that I've made, or without anything? Thank you so much for watching. Say bye-bye to my number blocks. Some of the stickers were missing, so we used prints to make them. Bye, number blocks.